Hi there. Okay, so what I want to show you here was how you can use your phone to activate Copywriter in your pocket. So then it literally becomes the copywriter that you have in your pocket. So I'm going to speak to Claude, and then I'm going to show you on my screen what it does. Now, when you're in your phone, can you see there that there's all the different projects? So you want to make sure that you're in the project so that it can access all the stuff that we've put in there. And then once I'm in my project here, I'm going to, at the bottom, hit New Chat. And then that opens up, so this is so low tech, that opens up the chat there, and there's the little icon where when I hit that, I can record an audio. Okay, so I would like to create a sales page for a digital product, sorry, for an online course. Can you base it on the group program curriculum? But I want it to be a DIY course. Use the online course sales page framework. It's for all of the customer personas in my audience. Pull in ideas from the messaging matrix and language and use the testimonials that are in the knowledge base. I want to price the course at $497, but I will do a beta offer for it initially at $200. So what's happening is now Claude has turned the audio into a prompt, and it's now writing that sales page for me. So I can do this, and I have done this, walking to the bus to pick up my kids after school. But let me flip my screen so you can see what's going on inside Claude. Okay, so you can see now, here is the chat. It's written a sales page for me based on the information that I've given it. Isn't that amazing? And what I can do now again is, let's say I'm still walking to the bus, so I'm having a look at this on my phone. I'm like, okay, that sounds good. You know, I would definitely sit down at my laptop to refine this. But while I'm at it, I want a content plan. Can you now give me a 14-day content plan to promote the beta launch of this online course? I want a mix of hand-raising posts, belief-shifting content, testimonial-based content, write me a case study, and content that is going to deal with any objections that my audience potentially would have for purchasing this product. Okay, so it's done it on my phone. I can see it, but also here's my prompt now that I just spoke into my phone. And now it's done my 14-day content plan following the instructions that I've given it. And again, these are a brilliant first draft, ready for you to start tweaking, playing around with. But in seconds, walking around, walking the dog, picking the kids up from school, you can get all your content created for you because we've primed your AI copywriter with all the information that it needs.